Alright, here we go again. Part two. Let's back it up. Alright. So here we go. We're in Podio, Podio.com. Now you can go to either you can start it up from so let me go back. Damn it. There we go. Alright. So either we can click on it from here in the workspace and go to Duval Buyer Leads. Click on that. Then click on Buyers Leads. Okay. And once you click on Buyers Leads, you scroll down. Let's see. Okay. Keep scrolling. I think when the last video, here we go. We started right here on DW Homes. So, and we already said that we did Denali Investments LLC in Israel. So we're going to start here with Mr. Baskins. So all we're going to do is go here, click on that profile for each client, which is easy. You're just going to each one and clicking on them and seeing, okay, you see their name. Normally they have the address.